You want an unforgettable virtual experience where your leaders identify new leadership behaviors for themselves. Participants in the Lead the Endurance experience are immersed in an Antarctic adventure based on the incredible survival story of the legendary Sir Ernest Shackleton and his crew, who were stranded on a polar ice floe for years. You want leaders that enable teams to thrive during challenges.
We need to come to consensus. What is exactly the wording of the first goal?
You want leaders capable of sharing the big picture.
There's a big picture obviously in the middle. However, the things that surrounded us were a little bit more humanistic.
You want leaders who can identify team baggage and move forward.
Began providing support to the person to help him.
Lead the Endurance has helped countless companies instill the core elements of leadership into employees. Now it's available virtually. Start your team's expedition today.